Hello everyone, I am Ankur Patel and let me give you my introduction today. I have done my schooling in Gujarati medium and I have studied in school named CN Vidyalaya in Ahmedabad. After completing my 12th, I have got admission in engineering. I have done my bachelor's in engineering in electronics and communication, and that I have done from Government Engineering College Modasa, which is almost 100 kilometer away from Ahmedabad. So after finishing my engineering, I aspired to go to USA for my master's study. So I went to Utah State University for my master's studies in computer. So I studied in USA for my master's. Over there I have worked for one of the project where I have worked in a project where NASA was involved and 4 universities were involved for atmospheric science research project, and I was a web programmer over there. Before going to USA, I also worked in a small web development company named DuWebNet. So my journey started with web development when I was in engineering, and then I continued that in my master's study. In 2001, I have graduated from Utah State University, and then I worked in Chicago. Over there I have done consulting work, freelancing work, and then I got a job in New York. So that's where also I have worked, and then I came back to Ahmedabad because at that time in USA, I'm talking about 2003, year 2003. So that's where lots of recession happened. So I came back to Ahmedabad, but fortunately I have earned in dollars even if I am in Ahmedabad. I have worked with many clients based in USA, UK, Italy, Ireland, France, Australia, and so on. So after coming back to Ahmedabad, I have worked in a software company, and then I worked in another software company named Gateway Technolabs Private Limited. Then I joined as a faculty in Nirma University. I worked in Nirma University as well because I like teaching. So even as of today, I teach to many young aspiring students. So teaching was my passion, so I continued with that. I worked in Ahem Management Solution as a CTO, and I managed the team of almost 15 people. And then after Ahem Management Solution, I have left that company and started my own company. In fact, I have started my own company when I was in engineering. So that was a single man company, and it was more of a freelancing work I was doing. Even when I was in USA, I used to do freelancing work. And then in 2008, I have started my own operation as a full-time activity named Infotrack Services Private Limited. So since then I've been working in this company and catering to clients based in USA, UK, Italy, Ireland, and so on. Our focus was web application development and internet marketing. So we develop lots of different applications using PHP, MySQL, and we have created lots of static websites, and we have worked on projects for SEO, email marketing, and so on. So that is what I have worked upon. I have given lots of corporate trainings during this many years. I went to Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, and so on, and different cities, and I have given training on Perl, PHP, Ruby on Rails, Python, and so on. I mean, these are the different technologies. Open source technologies is one of the key area where my mastery is there. As of today, I'm talking about year 2021. I have more than 20 years of experience in software industry, and I teach to many students, as well as we do web application development as well as internet marketing work for different clients. So yeah, that is what my background is. If you want to know more about me or more about my projects in which I have worked, please call me on 93761 33927. And thank you very much for watching this small video. Thank you.